Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The Best AeroGarden is probably one of the most revolutionary indoor gardening systems we've ever tested, transforming the way you cultivate fresh herbs, vegetables, and flowers right in your home, making year-round gardening accessible and incredibly rewarding for everyone, regardless of their green thumb. Number 5. AeroGarden Harvest Indoor Hydroponic System. Discover the joy of fresh produce all year long. This innovative system lets you grow your favorite herbs, vegetables, or flowers right in your home. It uses water, not soil, for a clean and mess-free experience. Despite its compact size, this countertop garden offers ample space. You can cultivate up to 6 different plants simultaneously, each reaching up to 12 inches in height. Equipped with a high-performance 20W LED grow light, it mimics natural sunlight. This feature includes an automatic on-off timer, helping your plants germinate up to 5 times faster than traditional soil methods. Its touch-sensitive control panel simplifies your gardening routine. It intelligently reminds you when to add water and plant food, ensuring a hassle-free and successful harvest every time. Your purchase includes the complete LED grow light system and a power adapter. It also comes with liquid plant food and a gourmet herb seed pod kit, so you can begin growing immediately. What we like? If you're new to indoor gardening and want a hassle-free start, this system is perfect. It allows you to grow up to 6 plants with minimal effort, thanks to its intuitive touch-sensitive controls and automatic reminders. This makes it ideal for busy individuals or those with limited space who still desire fresh herbs and veggies. What people say. The AeroGarden features an efficient water delivery system that keeps plants hydrated. Its compact design allows it to fit perfectly in various indoor spaces. The integrated LED grow lights are highly effective in promoting rapid plant growth. Number 4. AeroGarden Bounty Basic Indoor Garden. This indoor garden features an automatic timer, ensuring lights operate precisely. Its digital screen displays vital statistics and reminds you when to add water and plant food. Cultivate a diverse selection of plants with ease. You can grow up to 9 different herbs, vegetables, or flowers simultaneously. Experience an enhanced design with a larger water bowl and grow deck. This sleek new look integrates seamlessly into any home. Equipped with a powerful 30W LED grow light, it provides the full spectrum of sunlight your plants need. Watch them grow up to 5 times faster than in an outdoor garden. Planning a trip? Its special vacation mode keeps your plants thriving while you're away. Return to a healthy, flourishing garden. What we like? For those who want to expand their indoor garden, this model offers space for up to 9 plants. Its powerful 30W LED light ensures rapid growth, and the vacation mode is a lifesaver for travelers. If you're an avid gardener who frequently travels or needs more variety, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 3. AeroGarden Sprout Indoor Garden. Experience enhanced plant growth with its sleek, modern look. It features a new silent pump and simple soft touch controls for lights and reminders. Grow up to 3 plants at a time, reaching up to 10 inches tall. These plants thrive in water, not soil, making advanced indoor gardening incredibly simple. Its energy-efficient, full-spectrum 10W LED grow lights are precisely tuned. They maximize photosynthesis, leading to rapid, natural growth and abundant harvests. It comes with a convenient seed pod kit, including pre-seeded pods and liquid plant food. A quick start guide is also provided to get you growing right away. Enjoy fresh, safe, homegrown food year-round. This system has been a market leader in indoor hydroponics for over 15 years. What we like? If you have limited counter space but still crave fresh produce, this compact unit is a great fit. Its brand new design is sleek and modern, perfect for any kitchen aesthetic, and it's incredibly simple to operate. This is ideal for individuals or small households looking to grow a few essential herbs or small plants. What people say. Number 2. INBLOOM Fruit Seed Pod Kit for AeroGarden. This kit provides everything you need to start your indoor fruit garden. It includes 7 types of organic fruit seeds, growing sponges, baskets, domes, labels, and plant food, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced gardeners. These plant pods are compatible with most major hydroponic grow systems like AeroGarden, INBLOOM, and Awrogarden. They are also ideal for repotting once the roots are fully developed. All its hydroponic seeds are grown and packaged right here in the USA. These organic, heirloom, and GMO-free seeds boast high germination rates, making it easy to grow fresh fruits at home. Enjoy a diverse selection of fruits including strawberry, radish, dwarf pea, green pepper, cucumber, ruby queen beet, and golden cherry tomato. You'll have a bounty of fresh produce at your fingertips. The high-quality ABS grow baskets are reusable, and the grow sponges offer abundant nutrients, balanced pH, excellent air porosity, and strong water wicking. These premium supplies ensure optimal growth for your plants. Plant fresh produce all year round and harvest fruits for your favorite recipes. It makes a wonderful gift for family and friends who love gardening, perfect for birthdays, Mother's Day, or Christmas. We stand by the quality of our seeds and products. If any seed doesn't sprout within 2 weeks, we'll send you a replacement kit, ensuring you can grow with confidence and enjoy a wonderful gardening experience. What we like. This kit is a fantastic option if you already own a hydroponic system and want to diversify your harvest beyond herbs. It offers 7 different fruit varieties, from strawberries to tomatoes, and is compatible with many popular brands. If you're looking to grow unique produce and expand your gardening horizons, this kit provides everything you need. What people say. Number 1. INBLOOM Salad Lettuce Seed Pod Kit. This seed pod kit is designed to work seamlessly with most hydroponic systems, including AeroGarden, and Awrogarden. It provides everything you need to cultivate high-quality lettuce, ensuring your family enjoys fresh and healthy vegetables. Growing is made easy with our included guides, perfect for both beginners and experienced gardeners. These high-quality lettuce seeds boast over a 90% germination rate, making your gardening journey simple, fun, and rewarding. All the salad lettuce seeds are non-GMO, guaranteeing every leaf is green, healthy, and safe to consume. We prioritize quality and health, ensuring you can enjoy natural deliciousness grown right in your home. This comprehensive kit includes 4 varieties of lettuce seeds, along with 7 grow baskets, sponges, domes, protective stickers, and A&B plant food. You'll have plenty of seeds and supplies to sustainably grow large quantities of your favorite greens. Your satisfaction is our top priority. If you have any questions or concerns about your hydroponic seed garden kit, please don't hesitate to reach out. We are committed to providing excellent assistance throughout your growing journey. What we like. For those who love fresh salads, this kit is a must-have, offering 4 different lettuce varieties. It boasts a high germination rate and includes all necessary components, making it incredibly easy to grow your own greens. If you're aiming for a continuous supply of healthy, homegrown lettuce, this kit is perfectly suited for you. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.